This is Torix in 1 minute. Torix is a collection of 9,999 unique 3D characters, including 99 unique one-of-one characters such as Santa, a unicorn, and a robot. The team includes world-class artists and designers whose previous work includes creating the pop character for Burberry. Torix has received blue label recognition from Behance, a global portfolio website that is run by Adobe. Combined with its large following on Discord and Twitter, Torix certainly is popular amongst NFT collectors. The roadmap for Torix is not just collecting and displaying your NFTs as artwork, but also includes the characters being applied into play-to-earn gaming settings, giving potential for holders to gain new value for their NFT. As the metaverse develops, the release of Torix digital figures will allow holders to show their personality by connecting to select gaming platforms and having their Torix available as a hologram. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Torix. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.